What's going on? It's Suk and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech, and in today's video I'll be unboxing the brand new Xiaomi 14 Ultra. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers, so if you are new around here, then I have to ask you to hit that subscribe button, clicking the bell icon to be notified when any of my new videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing. So over here in the United Kingdom, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra costs £1,299, and that'll get you 512GB of storage along with 16GB of RAM. It's also only available in two colours, being black and white. Let's crack open the box and see what comes included with the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So unlike what we've seen from other manufacturers, be it Nothing, Apple, Samsung or Google, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra has plastic shrink wrap around the box as opposed to any pull tabs. But let's lift open the box and see what actually comes included. So lifting the lid reveals another box within the box, and within this box, say that too many times, you'll find a case along with the SIM card ejection tool along with some paperwork. We then have the smartphone itself, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and as you can see I have elected to go for the white coloured Ultra. But if we place that to a side, we get to see this, something that we don't normally see that often, a 90-watt power adapter included in the box along with a USB-A to USB-C cable. Personally, I would have loved to have seen a USB-C to USB-C cable, but I'm sure there's a valid reason as to why the Xiaomi 14 Ultra comes with a USB-A to C cable. And then we have the smartphone itself. Now I must admit, I love the way that this smartphone feels, be it the texture on the back or the fact that I'm able to rest my index finger against the camera bump. I just like it. So if you want to see what videos I'm currently working on, then be sure to go and follow me over on X and Instagram. I'll leave the link down below, or you can click the card in the top right corner to go over to those social media sites. Be sure to subscribe, as I am going to be comparing this smartphone's cameras to other devices, and I'm sure you don't want to be missing out on those videos. But once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.